Would you try curry cabbage? I did, and I think you should too.
You said I was the only.
Hey guys, welcome back to Shells Island Flavor Cooking. Today I'll be making some curry cabbage, another 5-star recipe for you guys. Yes, curry cabbage. Have you ever tried curry cabbage? Drop in the comment section and let me know if you've ever tried curry cabbage. Here I am cutting this. You can chop this however you wish. I'll be using garlic, a little ginger, bell pepper, thyme, scallion, white onions. I'll be using a little bay leaf, a little crushed pimento in this, and some carrots. So I heated a little hint of avocado oil, which I will be adding in a little curry powder and a little ginger powder. I'll be burning my curry on medium to low heat. Then I will be adding in my garlic and my green spices and herbs. Then I will be adding in my cabbage and my carrots, and I will season as I go. Welcome to Shells Island Flavor Cooking. Today this is more like a vegan meal. Did not feel for any meat kind. Decided to try some curry cabbage. I've never tried it before, but I've seen and I've heard about it. I could have also added some green beans, but I did not have any green beans handy. So I'll just be doing some curried cabbage with some carrots, and I will season along as I go. I'll be using a little hint of black pepper, a little hint of sea salt, oregano. I use a little cumin. I use a little bit of Maggi bouillon also, and some oregano. Once I added in my cabbage, I added in my carrots, and I will add the seasonings as I go. Cabbage does not take a lot of seasoning to really acquire a taste. I never add water to my cabbage. Curry gives off water, and also the cabbage is always filled with lots of water. One way I do this is I leave my pot open so some of this water can also evaporate. Once you cover it to steam, it builds up even more water, and especially with curry. So I seasoned as I go, and I will drop what I chose to use in the description box. You can feel free to use whatever seasoning you choose to use. Welcome to my channel for all the new subscribers. Thank you for your support. To the day ones, to the ones watching on the side who have not yet subscribed, thank you for your support. I added me a little piece of dried thyme in it, along with the scallion that I had. I added also to this, and I do hope that these recipes that I am putting out there, that you too are making changes and experimenting. Look at water, and I did not add any water into this. I took you through the cooking process from start to finish, and I don't like my cabbage soggy. I love a crunchy cabbage, so I want to feel when I bite through it, it should taste and sound crunchy. Worse, even my carrots, I don't like my veggies too soft. There is water springing in this, and feel free to take this and make this your own. My ingredients or the seasonings I use, you can opt to use whatever you choose to use. For this, I did not use any measurement. I did add a little hint of Maggi bouillon in this too. I tasted my pot as I went along to see if I liked the taste or that was the taste I was looking for, and it was fresh, so I added another little pinch of sea salt in this. I did also add some pepper, which is not really scotch bonnet, but to just add flavor to this. I do hope that you too will experiment, and if you've had curry cabbage before, please drop in the description box. Let me know what you think about it. Quick and easy vegan meal. If you don't eat meat, I have lots of playlists showing you vegan meals, vegetables, breakfast meal. Run on over and support my playlist. They're all in order. Chicken, beef. Here is my curry cabbage served on a bed of white rice. This was a quick and easy dinner. You too can try. I didn't have any avocado. Your girl running out of little side things. This was just a quick and easy. In Jamaica, we would call this a poor meal. But listen, it is rich because it is a meal. Thank you guys for stopping by. Thank you, and I hope you made it this far in the video. Please don't forget to give your girl a like. It is free. Give the video a thumbs up, guys. Once you're watching, it is for free.